we're going to use these two. We're going to put them on the hood. The Adams is a, what is it? It's supposed to be like a 12, 18 month ceramic protection in minutes. Put the product on, allow to cure for 1 to 2 minutes and look like rainbow, and wipe the surface. His is basically the same. Let me get the old pamphlet, the old infamous Clean by Pan pamphlet. I like it because it's funny because his face is on it. It's hilarious. So this is the Clean by Pan pamphlet that comes with his ceramic coatings. And his also says to spray a liberal amount onto a tile applicator, allow to spread evenly, allow to self-level for 2 minutes, and then remove. So basically, both of them are, once you're applied, give it 2 minutes, and then wipe off. pH resistance 2 to 12, which is a way, I think his 8 years are 1 to 14. Dry times 1 hour, and then full cure 7 days. So, yep, we've already decontaminated, we've already polished, we've panel prepped, the hood's ready to go. All we need to do is apply the products. This is funny. I don't know. It's hilarious to me. I don't know. Just a big old face on the pamphlet. His 8-year ceramic coating on my car has been phenomenal. It's been on since like May of last year. What is that? Like 8, 9 months, and I have no low spots currently trending or any failures on my vehicle. It's showing no sign of slowing down yet. So we're gonna do Clean by Pan's 1-year spray coating and the Adams Graphene spray coating. We'll probably do Clean by Pan on the left and then the Adams to the right. Now, I repeat, the directions say apply a liberal amount. That means enough, plenty, right? So I like to do it like that. Then I'm going to prime the pad by mushing it together, incorporating it. This has the plastic on the inside of it. I'm also going to do 3 down the middle. All right, let's go. We're going to go half the hood. Somewhere right there. Get our trim pass down, right? There we go. Got it? Here we go. So we definitely got plenty. Catch this lip all the way down. Bottom half out here. We'll finish left and right since the top is finished left and right. Goes on nice and easy. Go ahead and get this hood right here. Then we're going to go ahead and work this right here. Up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. Up, down. And then we'll finish with a straight line. And finish with a straight line. And that should cover our Clean by Pan side. Set the clock, 9:36, 9:35 for the top half. We'll just let it run. So we're gonna go ahead and work the Adams. Got it shooken up real good. Same thing applies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna prime the pad. Ooh, this shit got some funk to it. 1, 2, 3. Down the middle. Squeezy, 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 squeezy. This one I'm gonna go ahead and just do the whole fucking hood. And work our bumper right there. Work our light. First, let me work this trim right there. Then work this right here. We primed it heavy, y'all. I don't want y'all to think we're putting it on dry, but we primed it heavy. You can clearly see how heavy the application is. There we go. Now we're gonna check, see if we see anything that we missed. It looks pretty good. Time is 9:39. We put the atoms on at 39, it's 43. So we're 4 minutes in. We put that on at 36. It's almost gonna be 10 minutes for the damn clean. But I'm starting to see the lines here on the atoms. So I may just go ahead and pull that off. All right. So Clean by Pan is starting the rainbow atoms. We're gonna take atoms off first. We're gonna try this edge right here first, see how it does. Yeah, that wiped off pretty good. Yep, we're gonna go. We are green light on the atoms. Towel. Here it goes. Nice and smooth. You can feel the slickness. Yep. Now we're gonna flip our towel again. We're not trying to rub it off. We're just simply leveling. Lightly rubbing. Lightly rubbing. Like I said, we ain't trying to rub it off. Leveling, rubbing, leveling, rubbing. I gotta get up here, a little bit over here. And remember to over wipe on your panels. Work these areas. Get my finger in this crease right there. All right, here we go. Clean by Pan. Yeah, it's definitely rainbowing over on this edge here. So, right on time. Just want to work this edge first. We'll go on to the paint. Oh, that wipes off good too. Oh, that's way slicker than the atoms. Way slicker than the atoms. Yes, sir. That's way slicker. Flip our towel. I flip them mouth to mouth so that I can get all 4 sides. That's what your rubber gloves are for, to protect you. Get up on this panel. Get these areas here first. These are the tricky areas to miss right here. All right, work this edge right here, and then here we go. This emblem. Yeah, that's way slicker than the atoms, for sure. And then one more. All right, we're gonna pull the tape. See how much residue we got there in the middle. Try to polish that off. best as we can. It's gonna have a tape line effect. You're not gonna get past that. Initial impressions, both of them have great work time. Clean by Pans is definitely slicker than the Adams, and they both wiped off and installed exactly the same way. So we'll see on the durability part how long they'll go for. This is an everyday driven vehicle. It sees a harsh work environment, a lot of dust, a lot of dirt roads, heavy equipment running back and forth all day long in the training areas. It is a garage kept car, so it doesn't see as much as weather, but it is a daily driver. Monday through Friday, almost 85 miles a day, round trip to and from the work and daycare. So we'll see. Clean by Pan ceramic coating on it. To the left, we have Clean by Pan's 1 year spray coating. To the right, we have Adams 1 year spray coating. It's a test to see who is better, who lasts longer, who. I can tell you now, the Clean by Pan has better hydrophobics. I'm just gonna rub this on my grit guard one time real good. It's the hood of the car, it shows the most. Yeah, so the Clean by Pan spray coating for sure has better hydrophobics than the Adams that I'm wiping right now. I was out here in the rain the other day, flip it, and you could clearly see that side was less full of water as his side was sheeting, not really sheeting, but beating it off better. You can see with the soap how fast it's opening up compared to that side. See how fast that's opening up? This is Adams spray ceramic coating on this half of the hood. You can see the tape line right there. See how that kind of floods when you spray it on there? This is Clean by Pan's 1 year spray coating. Then you can see how less water's on this half than this half. This just repels better than this, so the hydrophobics, I believe, are better. This is the Keeve nozzle. Just half-ass, like some raindrops. And you'll see which side sticks more than the other. You can see how much better this gets the water off versus the Adams on this side. Don't get it twisted, it's good. It's just Pans is better. Windshield is, I don't know what the fuck's on the windshield, something different. But everything else on the car is Clean by Pan's 8 year ceramic coating, except for the whole top of this fucking hood and top of the fenders. This side is Clean by Pan's new 1 year ceramic spray coating. And then I matched it up with Adams ceramic spray coating, 1 year spray coating on here. You can clearly see less beads on this side. I think it's more hydrophobic and the water beating off faster than the Adams because the whole hood reflects. You can see the tape line right down the middle here. You can see how less beads here, more beads here, more beads here, less beads here. There's a clear difference between the left side hydrophobics and this side. This side's holding more beads on the paint, whereas this side is shedding them off.